Why the speed of light cannot be exceeded. In this video, you will find the answer to this question. Breaking the speed of light is often thought of as a concept that defies the fundamental laws of physics that exist in the universe. However, exceeding the speed of light is not possible due to a number of physical and mathematical constraints based on the special theory of relativity. The special theory of relativity, developed by Albert Einstein, sets a universal speed limit of the speed of light, about 300,000 kilometers. According to this theory, an object with mass requires energy that increases as its speed increases. For an object with mass to reach the speed of light, it requires infinite energy. Therefore, it is theoretically impossible for a massive object to exceed the speed of light. Concepts such as warp drive or wormholes, which are frequently encountered in science fiction works, are also concepts that have not been scientifically proven so far and can only exist at the theoretical level. Such concepts involve hypothetical technological solutions, such as bending or expanding spacetime, and so far have no experimental basis. However, research to challenge the special theory of relativity suggests that fast travel may be possible. The results of such studies suggest that more efficient and faster methods of space travel could be developed in the future. However, these technologies are unlikely to exceed the speed of light and surpass the special theory of relativity. Do wormholes really exist? Frequently used in science fiction, wormholes involve the concept of fast travel through the bending of space-time. However, it is still unknown whether these holes actually exist. Therefore, is it possible to find or create wormholes? We would love to hear your comments on this topic.